Fleetio vehicles can now improve fleet uptime and lower service costs by connecting directly to VOYOLink service centers. VOYOLink is a service available to vehicle owners with a telematics system. To log in, click on My Account at the top of the VOYOLink.com website. Enter the account name and password. Fleetio users will default to the My Shops page when logging into VOYOLink. To link to a shop, go to Find Shops. Search for a shop by name or location, then click Link and the button changes to Pending. You will be notified by email once your link request is accepted. If a shop doesn't respond in 5 business days, you will receive a notification to choose another shop or to resubmit your request. Once you are linked to a shop, the button changes to Unlink. You can link to up to 3 shops per vehicle. To disconnect a vehicle from a shop, click Unlink. After linking to 1 or more shops, go back to the My Shops page. At the top, you'll find key account information. My linked shop shows all the shops linked to your vehicles. Click Profile to learn more about a specific shop, and click Remove to unlink a shop from all your vehicles. Vehicle health data includes alert information for your vehicles. My Vehicles and Devices shows information on vehicles listed on your account and their link status. At the bottom of the page, you can see any current messages with your shops. In Vehicle Health Data, click on Details to show more information for a given alert. VOYOLink allows vehicle owners to see the same diagnostic information that shops use to create a repair estimate. At the top of the Vehicle Details page, you can view shops linked to a vehicle and its last known location. Other vehicle information accessed from this page includes real-time values for odometer, remaining oil life, and tire pressure. You can also enter mileage-based values for upcoming scheduled service, tire inspections, and tire replacement. Scroll down the page to see vehicle health data. A blue alert is active, and a beige alert has been dismissed. Click on the alert to see more detailed information. The data provided is dependent on the diagnostic capabilities of your telematics device. You can dismiss an alert or use it to create a message to one or multiple shops. A message created from within an alert will contain type of alert as well as make and model in the header. Go to My Messages to see all your correspondence with shops. To learn more about information available to vehicle owners, click on VOYOLink at the top, scroll down to the bottom and click on the video tutorial, Fleets and Advanced Features. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@voyolink.com.